Hi everyone, this is Neil Writer, also known as the Wax Whisperer. Thank you for tuning into this latest video. For anyone who doesn't know who I am, I'm a UK-based award-winning consultant, audiologist and clinical ear care specialist. I specialise in the diagnosis, treatment and rehabilitation of people suffering from hearing problems and balance disorders. In addition, as a clinical ear care specialist, I specialise in the removal of impacted earwax, dead skin, keratin, infected discharge and debris from the ear canal. I'm also the co-founder of a company called Clearwax, and Clearwax is the company that developed the iClearScope wireless endoscope, which is what we use to visualise the inside of the ear. We also train ear care professionals in the procedure. So please visit the website if you are an ear professional wanting to be trained in endoscopic earwax removal. The website is www.clearwax.co.uk and follow the training tab. So this is for all the skin peel and extraction lovers. I've realised over the last few months that people really enjoy the skin peels, and here we had a haul of approximately just short of 12 centimeters of dead skin keratin, and it came out in long single ribbons, as you can see. It's almost like a magician trying to pull a handkerchief out of his hat or it's under his sleeve, and it keeps going and going and going. I was quite amazed by how much skin, and I was trying to peel it delicately so it comes out in kind of long tails and ribbons. And I think this is the last piece. There's a bit of earwax attached to this last piece of dead skin, but the remainder of the contents was purely keratin, purely dead skin, and you can see a bit of wax attached at the end there. So it was a very short, quick, simple, easy procedure, but I thought having a procedure like this, I didn't want to put it in a compilation. I wanted to put it as a standalone video because I know many viewers really enjoy watching these type of videos. If people can leave comments as to why they really enjoy skin peels and extractions, it will just be a bit of feedback, good info for me. Just mopping up near the entrance, bit of wet, dead keratin. Patient had been using some drops. Bit of a narrow ear canal entrance. There's a tympanic membrane, the eardrum very healthy. And I had just had time today. Normally I don't at the moment, but I just had time to quickly measure the length of this dead keratin, and you can see actually it's just shy of 12 centimeters. I think if I leveled it all out in a straight line and got the ruler set, it would be hitting the 12 centimeter mark, and that's all from one ear. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos on YouTube, please do subscribe, select the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when I upload new videos. Similarly, if you're watching for the first time on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, please do follow, like the page, feel free to leave comments on the videos and share them. Have a great evening, guys, and I'll upload some new videos shortly. Bye!